This is one of the major steps you need to take when troubleshooting your AC outdoor fan. You're having issues like your outdoor fan not rotating, or it's even in some air condition you can stop your AC compressor from not starting because of the outdoor fan is not working. So this is how to troubleshoot it. Number one, you need to check the outdoor fan capacitor, the capacitor that is responsible for outdoor fan operation. You need to check that capacitor. If it's working, you test it with your multimeter to know if it's working or not. If it's not working, you replace it with another one, then the outdoor fan will come up to start working. Number two, you check the coil, the motor of the outdoor fan itself. If the motor is faulty, then it will stop the outdoor fan from turning, from rotating, from working. So check the outdoor fan itself, the motor itself. Use your multimeter, test all the coil, all the leads that comes out from the outdoor fan to be sure that the leads are actually okay, the fan is working. That's number two. Number three, you need to test the cables that lead from the capacitor to the fan, or from the power source to the fan. So these are three major steps you need to take while troubleshooting your AC outdoor fan if it's not rotating. This is especially for ACs that are non-inverters. This is especially for ACs that are non-inverters. Inverter has their own procedures to go through or to troubleshoot or to make the fan to turn. The outdoor fan for not rotating, if the outdoor fan is not rotating, it can, in some air condition, it has a sensor that can prevent the compressor from starting. That's number one. Number two, in some air condition that doesn't have such sensor, it will start the compressor, but the outdoor fan will not rotate, and it will end up overworking the compressor and lead it to damage. So if it's not working, what I've just mentioned now are the pre-steps you have to take to make sure that your outdoor fan is working. Then let me put more light about the capacitor. There are some ACs that the outdoor fan capacitor is merged together with the compressor capacitor. That is, if you open the outdoor system, if you unveil the outdoor system, you see just a single capacitor, and this capacitor has three leads. If the capacitor has three terminals, that's to say it has both the fan capacitor on it and the compressor capacitor on it. So if it is such system, if you are more experienced, you can segregate the fan capacitor from the compressor capacitor by providing an extra capacitor of the same rating, that could operate the fan for just the fan. So in case it gets bad, you don't buy a whole system of capacitor that could control both the compressor and the fan anymore. You just get only a single capacitor that could operate the fan. That's in some cases. In most cases, you see a separate capacitor for the outdoor fan, and you see a separate capacitor for the compressor. So since you are not dealing with the compressor, all your troubleshooting steps or all your troubleshooting method goes within the fan pace, which is checking the capacitor rating, checking its operation power. If it's actually okay, you go with it. Checking the connections, like the cables that lead from the capacitor to the fan, or from power voltage to the fan. Checking the cables, if they are okay, or if they are bad, you replace them with another one. And also using your multimeter to test the leads that comes out from the fan, which is the coil. Testing the coil, get the best reading. If you are using an analog system, you know your reading. If you are using a digital system, you also know your reading that comes out from there. So with that, you can effectively know which of the system you're actually working on. Is it the capacitor, the cable, or the fan itself? If it's the fan itself, buy a new fan, replace it, and it works again. If it's the cable, you know what to do to the cable. You get a new cable of same rated currents, or same rated millimeter. Change it, and it comes back again. If it's the capacitor that's the problem, you change the capacitor. It costs you less to do that. So with that, you've been able to solve the problem that your outdoor fan is not turning. So with that, I will really appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are meeting it for the first time. And if you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up, keep watching my videos as I keep posting and keep updating you of videos of such kind. Thank you very much. See you next.